This is the test of the Rode Wireless Microphone Go. Currently we have it set to the lowest decibel setting. We've now boosted the microphone up to its middle decibel setting, cranked up to its highest decibel settings, and it is what it is, really. Alright, so I've manually set the preamp on the camera now down to its lowest levels, is minus 30 decibels. And I have cranked the Rode microphone up to its highest levels. This is the Rode mic down to its lowest settings with the preamps jacked all the way down to its lowest settings. So this is as low as the sound could possibly be with this combination. Now, if any of you guys are wondering, we got the Rode microphones from B&H in America because, as per usual, Japan is a bit late when it comes to electronics equipment. Not just foreign stuff like the Rode, which is made in Australia, but fuck it, even electronics made in Japan. We get them later in Japan for some bizarre fucking reason. Fucking A. Cheers.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
Asahikawa Design Center. Now, I had heard, obviously in preparation for this job, that Asahikawa was famous for furniture. I didn't know that some of the biggest brands that you can see with fancy stores all over, like the richest parts of Tokyo, are actually from Asahikawa. It makes me really happy to see that Tokyo's money's coming out to Hokkaido. This design center is awesome because, yeah, you can see all the furniture and really good design, but you can actually buy stuff, you know, if you're loaded, obviously. But for me, it's been really inspirational. I've been editing my photos here. They let me use their meeting room to edit my photos for this job. Being here, being in a space that showcases design, that appreciates design, kind of reminds me that I used to be a designer once and I kind of missed it.
The menu is literally a piece of cardboard with duct tape around it, and started out as a local joint, but because of the yummy food, it's become quite popular, especially with the summer tourists. In the peak season, it's probably over an hour wait, and in the winter, it's fun to eat here. It's actually cold inside, you have to wear your jacket. It's just yummy food and